About time she got home. I'm coming. Forget your key?
Mom?
You're home. When did you get... Hello.
This is Tom from Brinks Home Security. Are you okay?
Someone just tried to break in.
I'm sending help right now.
Thank you so much.
Call 1-800-910-3624 now to install Brinks Home Security for just $99. Brinks sensors and detectors can alert you when trouble strikes. And the Brinks keypad is linked to award-winning monitoring centers where professionals respond quickly 24 hours a day. Call now to get the $99 installation plus a second keypad installed free. That's a $135 value. And you could save up to 20% on your homeowner's insurance. Call 1-800-910-3624 now and get the system installed for just $99. Brinks Home Security, rapid response and peace of mind for your home or business. Call now.